Good morning. Today we are going to discuss about mnemonics. It is a weird word that means memory tool. Mnemonics जो होते हैं वो मेथड्स होते हैं जो इन्फॉर्मेशन को लंबे समय तक हमारी मेमोरी में बनी रहे या फिर उसको रिकॉल करने में हमें इजी हो, वो टेक्निक्स सभी mnemonics कहलाती हैं। इनका पॉसिबल फंक्शन क्या है कि जो हमारी इन्फॉर्मेशन स्टोर होनी है उसको लंबे समय तक स्टोर करना और उसको रिकॉल करने में ईजी रखना। मेमोरीज while written language is one of the ways we communicate, it is the only one of the skills and resources available to our mind. हम मेमोराइज कैसे करते हैं? कलर्स की फॉर्म में, स्मेल की फॉर्म में, टेस्ट की फॉर्म में, टच की फॉर्म में, फीलिंग्स एंड शेप्स, ये सारे जो होते हैं हमारे तरीके होते हैं मेमोराइज करने के। जैसे हम एलिफेंट को अल्फ़ाबेटिकल फॉर्म में भी मेमोराइज कर सकते हैं और एलिफेंट को हम पिक्चर की फॉर्म में भी हमारे ब्रेन में स्टोर कर सकते हैं। रिसर्चर्स सेज दैट वी रिमेंबर 20% ऑफ व्हाट वी हियर। जो सुना हमने 20% हम उसका याद रखते हैं। 50% ऑफ व्हाट वी रीड, 50% हमें लिखा हुआ याद होता है। एंड वी रिमेंबर 75% टू 80% ऑफ व्हाट वी सी एंड डू, यानी कि जो हम करते हैं या जो हम देखते हैं उसका हम 75 से 80% तक याद रखते हैं। By using all your senses, but especially your ability to create visual images, you can increase your power to memorize. जब हम दिमाग में मेंटल पिक्चर बना लेते हैं, विजुलाइज करते हैं चीज़ों को, तो हमारी एक तरीके से कैपेसिटी उन चीज़ों को स्टोर करने की इंक्रीज़ हो जाती है। बी केयरफुल, योर ब्रेन कैन रीड दिस। इफ़ यू कैन रीड दिस, you have a strong mind too. I couldn't believe that I could actually understand what I was reading. The phenomenal power of the human mind, according to a research in Cambridge University, it doesn't matter what order the letter in a word are. The only important thing is that the first and the last letter be in the right place. The rest can be a total mess and you can still read it without a problem. This is because the human mind does not read every letter by itself but the word as a whole. So this was the whole paragraph written in a haphazard way, but फिर भी ये सारा पैराग्राफ रीड कर पाए बिकॉज इसका फर्स्ट और लास्ट जो वर्ड था वो ऑलमोस्ट सेम था जो ओरिजिनली होता है। सिर्फ बीच के जो वर्ड्स हैं वो शफल हो रखे थे, तो हमें ये क्यों रीड हो पाए इजीली? बिकॉज हम फर्स्ट और लास्ट जो लेटर होता है वर्ड का सिर्फ उस पर ही फोकस करते हैं। वॉट ट्रिक डू यू यूज़? आई बिफोर ई एक्सेप्ट आफ्टर सी, होम सक्सेस 330 डे हैड September trying a string around your finger. Now you can start making up your own mnemonic devices. So use positive, pleasant images. Use vivid, colorful, silly images. Use three-dimensional images. Exaggerate the size of the images. Use humor. Use symbol. Some mnemonic devices. The similar trait technique, PEG system, forming sentences from the first letter of the words. The link of the story method. ये सारी जो है हमारे mnemonic devices या techniques हैं, जिसमें से हम one by one एक एक पढ़ेंगे। First is the similar trait technique. 2 words you would like to remember and the link in your mind. Richmond, Virginia. The fine things they have in common. Second letter जैसे दोनों में I है, 8 letters हैं दोनों words में. Find similar words which within the words like rich man, Virginia. So this kind of make up a sentence or short visual story. The rich man drinks gin and lives in Virginia. So इस तरीके से अगर आप सिमिलर ट्रेट टेक्निक या फिर एक छोटी सी स्टोरी के थ्रू इसको याद करोगे तो यू कैन बेटर मेमोराइज दिस। नाउ ट्राई दिस वन, लाइक बस्कर टू लुक फॉर, बस प्लस में कार, to look for. The similar trait technique is a good way to study for matching test. PEG system में क्या होगा? Using something you know and won't forget to hang new information on. Pairs old information with new information in a visual format. Good for remembering items in orders. Common PEGs, the alphabet, number, function, furniture in your house. 397, like this. The number rhyme peg system. You need to remember bun, shoe, tree, door, and hive. This is the list which you want to remember. And the sixth is brick, and then hen. One is a bun, two is a shoe, three is a tree, doors, etc. Then bricks, heaven, gate, line. Form a picture in your mind of each item. Make the picture vivid, detailed, and colorful. So the number rhyme peg system can be like this. Now write down a list of things you remember, such as shopping list using here. It could be a list of body parts for anatomy class, a list of scientists, or a list of chemical in the periodic table of the elements, any list. Like you have to purchase Coke, laundry detergent, tomatoes, chicken, hamburger, paper towel, Kleenex, cookies, bread, lean cuisine. So create a picture in your mind containing the first item in your shopping list, Coke with the word bun, which goes with one. In this case, you imagine a picture of a bun with a Coke, and the image must be detailed. For example, what kind of bun it is: hamburger, hot dog, with seeds on top, without, what color it is. Perhaps you have imagined a hot dog bun with a small bottle of Coke lying in instead of a hot dog. Next, create a picture of laundry detergent and shoes. 2 is a shoe. Decide what kind of color of shoes: high top, tennis, women's, men's shoe, red or white. What color of the shoe it is. What kind the detergent look like? It is in a box, a bottle. Perhaps you are picturing a men's high top red basketball shoes with detergent bubbles coming out from the top, etc. Then alphabetical peg system. The alphabetical peg system means A, ace of spade, entrance, B for B, C for C, D for diesel engine, E for eel, F for affluent, and G for jeans. So this can be another method in which you can alphabetically peg the list, or alphabetically you can memorize items in a room, like basketball, light, watch, switch, floor, ceiling, book, telephone, door, window, chair, water cooler, etc. Forming sentences with first letter. In this technique, which most students have learned in school, the first letter of a list of words that need to be remembered are taken out to form a silly sentence, another word that is easy to remember. For example, if one is trying to remember the planets of the solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. So take the letters like M for Mercury, V for Venus, E for Earth, M for Mars, and J for Jupiter, S for Saturn, U for Uranus, N for Neptune, and P for Pluto. You are picking up the first letter from all the words, and then you are making a sentence out of it. Forming a sentence with first letter, like my very extravagant mother just sent us 9 pizzas. The Greater Lake, Huron, Ontario, Michigan, Eries Superior, HOMES. Like you are picking again the first letter and then making sentence out of it. Strategies we use to solve the problems: trial and error, algorithm, heuristic, insight. Teachers always have insight. Famous psychologists like Bandura, Maccabee, Loftus, Perry, Rodin. Be more like a special rat. You are making sentence again from the first letter, like Bandura's first letter is B, and you are making sentence like B. M for Maccabee, and you are making more out of M letter, and Loftus is like in your sentence, and Sperry is special, and Rodin is rat. So be more like a special rat. So you can again decode it while you want to recall the psychologist's name. The link and story method works by making associations between items in a list, linking them in a story or a flowing image. The counties of England: Avon, Dorset, Somerset, Cornwall, Devon, Gloucester, Surrey. So an Avon lady knocking on a heavy oak door set. So the door opening to show a beautiful summer landscape with a setting sun. The setting sun shined down onto a field of corn. The wilting stalks slowly drop onto the tail of sleeping devil Devon. On the devil's horn, a woman has impaled a glossy ham. When she said she hit him over the head with it. Now the devil feels sorry. He bothered her. Note that other need to be any reason or underlying plot to the sequence of image. Only the image and the link between them are important. Or you can quote this information by imagining the following story vividly. So this is the link and story method. Like an Avon lady is walking up a path toward a strange house. She is hot and sweating slightly in the heat of the summer. Besides the path, someone has planted giant corn in the wall, but it's beginning to wilt in the heat. She knocked on the door, which is opened by the devil. In the background, she can see the kitchen in which the several servant is smelling honey on the ham, making it glossy and gleam in the bright sunlight streaming through this window. Panicked by seeing the devil, the Avon lady screamed sorry and dashed back down the path. Summary is that the mnemonics means memory tool, and using all these visual images paired with items to remember is a powerful tool. Some mnemonic technique includes similar trait, peg system, forming sentences and words, link and story. These are the methods and make usual images funny, colorful and cartoonish. So this is all for your mnemonic techniques, and by using all these mnemonic techniques like peg system, number peg system, alphabetical peg system and forming sentence with the first letter, link and story method, you can make your memory sharper. Thank you so much.